What are the basket of insurance coverages that a computer services company is going to need in order to properly protect their business and create sustainability and profitability? We're going to answer that question right now. Hi, my name is Ryan Hanley. I am the founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. If you find this video valuable and you're watching on YouTube, please tap that like button for us because that just helps other professionals like yourself know that this video has some value. Okay, now, by titling this video Computer Services, I probably sound like a complete noob to the space because computer services is very broad. What does that actually mean? Essentially, computer services is a term that insurance carriers use to kind of encompass the broad range of businesses that have to do with anything, software, hardware, networking. If it involves a computer, and it doesn't fall into some very specific categories around marketing or computer programming or app development, then it tends to fall under computer services. Networking and hardware networking would be a little different, and manufacturing is obviously a little different as well. But all the other businesses, all the other things, consulting, software installation, software maintenance, all these types of different activities that involve computers fall under this basket of computer services. And for any type of computer services, there are four main coverages that make up the foundation of their insurance program. There are more coverages based on specific situation, nuance, geography, etc., but there are four main coverages that make up the foundation. We're gonna go through those quick. The first is a business owner's policy. That's gonna cover your GL, your property, business loss of use, loss of income, and as well as a basket of other coverages, and they're all gonna be included in your business owner's policy. This should be the first policy you purchase, should be relatively inexpensive. The next is workers' comp. If you're employees, you're gonna need workers' comp. Regardless if they're W-2, contractors, different states, same office, international, you wanna at least talk through the ramifications of workers' comp. If you don't have any employees, then workers' comp is most likely not something that you need. The two big ones, however, are going to be a technology-related errors and omissions policy, professional liability policy, which is going to cover your work, your expertise, your guidance, anything that isn't, the physical, like someone slipping and falling in an office. All the stuff that has to do with your work is going to fall under your professional liability. Incredibly, incredibly important and absolute must coverage for anyone in the computer services industry. And the last coverage is going to be cyber liability. There are, billions of bots banging on computer systems, banging on email servers all day long, trying to spoof, trying to do ransomware attacks, DNS attacks. DNS attacks are becoming not as frequent because now we're seeing, phishing being huge, scamming being huge, ransomware being huge, money, funds transfer, all kinds of things going on with people trying to rip money out of different accounts, steal bank account numbers, that kind of stuff. Anywhere that people can grab that information and use it, that's all. If it happens online, it's going to be cyber liability, and that is a huge exposure for anyone in the computer services industry. So this, business owner's policy, workers' comp if you have employees, techie, / professional, and cyber make up the foundation of coverages that any computer services business needs to have. If you have questions, if this is the kind of relationship you'd like to have with your insurance professional, then give us a call. We work in all 50 states, so wherever you are, we can work with you. 518-960-6600. That's 518-960-6600. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com. You can email us at gorogue@roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a link button or form somewhere around this video that lets you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.